Charlie, what's up? Good afternoon. Real quick, I beg, forgive me, my voice they low. I guess I'm injured and things. See, some of we Ghanaians, we dey part people they behave the way that they behave. Obi adiene nya, instead of us to talk, say, oh Charlie, adi way out here, the one ye men ye biem. Nani pana hu ne fought a onye biem no. Then people they follow am say, oh, or ye bossu, or ye say. Na man for heli, ubenya man for mbe di watem, kase ope hype ni ade. You think say me a day there, I go feel just cook story, take and put somebody in top. I didn't say me, I go just come out, can't talk about the thing. Now, my can't say instead of some of us to look, say, I didn't no cry, no cry, oh, 2016, oh, you do, we on them, we they talk about something that happen currently, which no more can something different. You not go even listen to what the person they talk about. Say, oh, boy, when you no cry, went here, obi, I mean, see. See, obi ameni no wo studio ye vibe to enwom na nipa na ye bibi makoka enye na ye be hwe oh bro ade a ye wanye ni ye no ni e say di nipa na ti ni e ka wona nipa ni promote violence no ye ni ope no ye say Ghana ye ne dia then we dey support am manfo di na ti ubenya manfo mbedi watem I dey pray say make that thing no happen to your family. Big person can talk to we say they want make we settle this matter. Now we about fears, you Shatawale, we they come your house, can sort out this matter. We reach there, organizing boys, make them attack me, then my manager. No, my boy, see my neck, you see? But see, Ghana nyodia. You see me? Maybe you go do you people say, hey bro, what you done? But we there here, we go here, we go see whatever it will happen. So what I say, we go see say if laws dey this country or not. Then you go get people, then go come back or pay hype. One pay hype. You know what be hype? Yeah, pay hype, and this be the way we go. And the person make you not take some do you or your family member who be complaining, you go be cursed to you. You go get people, then go come talk in kwasi. See, yesterday you beat my manager, spoil my car. But it no be nothing. You see, that be why they tell you every day. If this thing I do be the reason when I be a mama say offer me slow. If you want it, I know the fear you, I no go lie. No matter how many times you beat me, I no go lie. But see, you these people you did the street up, you they involve yourself. Oh, we be sat. See. Something no happen here. I'm in person make one them. Then you they do video. Hey, you smoke. We catch you. You smoke. Then tag you them. Then Charlie, we did this country. You go. You say you go. We did this country. We go see what it go happen. Say nipa na di na chini ko betima yi no ho. Then you go can't talk the same thing. Yeah, baby. Then say kumoji o say one you babu nipa. Who you then your cruise you they can't beat man. We did this country. Whatever it will happen, we go see the update. Nipa ye nyoma ehun here. Instead of us to talk about it, no. Ni Johnny promotive violence. Oh shatter. No guso ye. Or no be yes I the way anti come man mekana. Say nipa na nya de wa say. We know they here people they do something small. You know they even talk to them about it. No they go about na obi buafu aka sema. Now people can painful about say yen settler. We come and then you attack we, beat we, you take video. Why you not go post? Post that way you bema post. Then see where you go sleep. Post. But me, I know they won't do anything. People go talk say I they disrespect in painful. That be why then make I come there and I come. Like you, I know they won't see your face safe. But this thing you do, Abi you say you go kill me in my career. We go see who in career go die. See what you do, my car. See. See you see Cause you be fear. This be the only thing you go feed do. No cry no make we see if that thing be true or not. And no nieka. Then people go talk 2016 you use we on the thing be the same. What are they talk then the thing? You no go even listen to the thing at the talk. Now we on we or you say. Make you people go on. Keep promoting violence. Nipanity country num ide obetche nkwara nyoma pa omunye no oche munkoye say then you people dey there they support am. Ubenye obi obeba be kan kwase asem. But if you so we did this country, we go see if you boss you. When you not say me, I know they do this for hype. You know. I know they do this for hype. You said you tell me smoke, come my house, can't record, then see how many times you see say I step your house before. How many times? Comparing me to the other boys, every day then go day your house. You see say me, I come your house before. Like how many times? You give me privilege, say make I can record for there. How many times you see me for there? See me, I no be anti-show. I no be I want to say boss you. I no be I want to say. Go ask everybody. Ask your captain. Say me that I go the same school. Then come he be my junior for school. Ask him. Say he ever hear my name or see me for places said before. You no go hear of me. You see me for party before. You see me for club. Where people gather, you see say I did there. But you don't know be how I grew up. You get everybody there in life. So something happen, I make you know I talk something. We they analyze that thing. Make you know talk say, this boy, I go beat him, you the one hype. Me, I the one hype. When they hype, you know give me. You the fit post my video, then I get 2,000 followers. I will leave that one, come go at you. I know the rise at you, boss you. I talk my mind, just like you. See, you boy, you talk your mind. I talk my mind. So make you know talk say you dey look for me beat me. I get those videos for here. I give you dey here. You get make you know talk say you go meet me, you go beat me, you go but you I no go run go anywhere. I know they go na vrungu. I dey here. I cry here. No need. The beating be the way you go make you look like say you be big manner, then you be loser. Cause the only thing you go fit do be say you dey use your stardom intimidate me. If you get anything, do other than that. Make we analyze the thing. Say if I the liar, I the lie. Do whatever you dey like to me. Cause he dey everywhere. Travis Scott them so somebody if you play some tune for them at this thing inside. He be your own. He go claim him. He go charge you $20 million then things. Here we know certain things know they work. I dey tell you my mind, boss. You nobody dey mind me. I talk my mind. I talk my mind that I talk. You get nobody no. So Sunday talk say you go beat me. They beat in there, it be normal thing. See, where you be tagged for, you be Nima. I know say you leave Nima before. See, me I be 16 years. I leave school, go hustle for there. A full year. I don't know the beating, they no beat we for there. I don't know the kwashe, they no kwashe we for there. See, whatever you dey pass through, we pass through, like your song goes. I know my level. Sally, I dey my lane inside, boss you. I dey my lane inside. I know they do this for hype. I know they need. You get, I get everything to be day on the street. You they see me, you they like talk true. You where you hear of me, all the what the boys they do, I feel do some, but that no be my life, boss. You see this room, my day, I dey do everything, I dey sleep. That be my life. So make you no talk like you they do that like I go lose something. I no go lose nothing, cause I no get nothing. I be dirty boy. When this boy you dey fight to. You dey fight with, see, this boy, you dey fight with me, I no get nothing. So you take everything from me, you still end at nothing. Cause me, I no get nothing. The only thing I dey tell you be say I get, tell me I go fear, be say, hey, I go take God from you. That one I go fear. But I get God, I no go leave am, can't fear you, boss. I no see you. You get, if you like, beat me, do whatever. I go come your day. Something come. Smoke, you be my boy. Mock we talk about why you do this, why you know they do that. But you say you go beat me, you go beat me. I for come your house, make you beat me. I won't make you beat me. You tire, I go come because that be the only way you go fit prove yourself. If you say I dey lie, the song this, make we analyze them, make we check the videos, make we check the emails. Then the people too, then they talk like smoke, you we the SM artist, you the send me trade, you go do